Robot dogs are changing modern warfare. These are not ordinary dogs, they are sophisticated machines designed for combat. These robots resemble large dogs, hence their name. They possess advanced capabilities. Sensors, cameras, and software allow them to perform many tasks. Military forces can control them remotely. Robot dogs are agile and fast. They can navigate difficult terrain. This makes them valuable in combat zones. They can access areas that are too dangerous for humans. They can enter buildings, trenches, and hazardous areas. This allows them to provide crucial information to soldiers. These robot dogs are equipped with advanced technology. Thermal imaging and sensors help them detect threats. They can identify targets and gather intel. All this is done without risking human lives. This makes them a valuable asset in reconnaissance and surveillance missions. Robot dogs have even more uses. They can transport supplies. Weapons, ammunition, and medical equipment can be carried by these robots. This lessens the burden on human soldiers. It allows soldiers to focus on more complex tasks. The potential to arm these robots raises concerns. It highlights the changing nature of warfare. Ukraine is using robot dogs in their defense efforts. Faced with the Russian invasion, Ukraine has turned to technology. These robots offer a solution to manpower shortages. They act as force multipliers on the battlefield. The robot dogs are deployed for various tasks. They detect landmines, conduct reconnaissance, and transport supplies. One example is the robot dog named Bad One. This robot showcases the technology's potential. Its agility and compact size allow it to navigate obstacles. It performs tasks with precision. Ukrainian operators praise these machines. They say the robots reduce risks to soldiers. The robots have a 2-hour battery life. They possess thermal imaging capabilities. A kill switch prevents enemy data capture. These features make them practical for real-world use. Ukraine's use of robot dogs shows the impact of technology. It highlights its growing role in modern conflicts. As the conflict continues, the use of these robots will likely increase. This provides valuable data. Military experts can learn from their capabilities and limitations in real combat. The use of robot dogs is spreading globally. It is not limited to Ukraine. Other countries are developing and deploying these robots. The United States, China, and Israel are investing in this technology. This trend shows a growing recognition. Robotic systems have a clear advantage in modern warfare. Companies like Boston Dynamics are leading the way. Their Spot robot is a prime example. It was showcased at SOF Week 2024. This robot demonstrated its role as a 4-legged force multiplier. Spot has specialized sensors. It can detect radiological, nuclear, and toxic materials. This capability is crucial in identifying CBRNE threats. Spot keeps personnel at a safe distance. Spot can also investigate suspicious packages. Cameras, X-ray devices, and an optional arm are used for this purpose. This enhances the safety of explosive ordnance disposal technicians. These advancements show continuous development. Robot dog technology is rapidly evolving for military purposes. Section 4: Ethical concerns on the horizon. The rise of robot dogs raises ethical questions. What does it mean for the future of warfare? As technology improves, these machines will become more sophisticated. They will perform more tasks with greater autonomy. This raises concerns about artificial intelligence. What role will autonomous systems play in armed conflicts? The potential for armed robot dogs is particularly worrisome. There are concerns about civilian casualties. Unintended consequences are a real possibility. The development and use of this technology require careful consideration. Ethical guidelines and international regulations are necessary. Responsible use of this technology is paramount. The potential for harm is significant. A clear framework is needed to prevent misuse. Section 5: The uncertain future of warfare. The future of warfare is uncertain. However, one thing is clear: technology will play a crucial role. Robot dogs, artificial intelligence, and autonomous systems are changing the landscape. This shift presents opportunities and challenges. Careful consideration is needed. The ethical, legal, and societal implications are complex. We must address these challenges. Failure to do so could have dire consequences. The future of warfare is being written. It is our responsibility to ensure it is one where humanity prevails.